The walkthrough video for Unit 2, Chapter 2, Lesson 2, Components of a Computer. So read the overview page in your to-do list. Then you would click Next and get into the lesson here. So we've used GCF Learn Free before, so that you will actually just go straight to what is a computer, which again, you can actually go through that lesson right in Canvas. If you just scroll through, make sure you watch the video, and remember, when you see the continue button, just stop, don't click it. So make sure you watch the video, write down any vocab terms. Again, you can also open up that website, which I demonstrated right here, if you want to see it in full screen. When you're done, then you scroll down and click Next to go to the next part, where you're going to take a quiz on what is a computer. Take that quiz. When you're done, click Next. Here's another GCF Learn Free on basic parts of the computer. So you can open that directly up and view it, or you can look through right here in Canvas by scrolling down. Make sure you go through these. Anything with a plus, you can actually click on those and it will tell you what those links, what those buttons are, for example, on this keyboard. Make sure you understand all of this stuff about the basic parts of the computer. When you see continue, then you would just stop and then click the next button to go to the next part. There's more information about computer parts. Make sure you read through this page. And then you have a quiz. Make sure you take that quiz. And then you have part of this lesson on buttons and ports. Again, you can open it up directly through here if you want, or you can just scroll through on your computer and view. So again, if you're not sure what something is, just click on it. If I can on here too, I can make sure you watch this video. So this is just the full size. There's a USB port, your audio in and out. So make sure that you're clicking on these items to make sure that you understand what these items are. Once you're done with that lesson, click Next. You're going to take a quiz on buttons and ports, so take that quiz and then click Next. This part of Lesson 2 is now on what's inside of a computer. So again, you can watch this video. This is important because you're going to have an assignment where you're going to have to identify the parts of the computer. So you got motherboard, all kinds of stuff right here. Memory, make sure you read through this. If you want to open it as a full page, a separate tab, you can click right there and it will. Once you've gone through that lesson, click Next, and here is where you're going to do an assignment where you're going to label the parts of a computer. Go ahead and click the link and make a copy of this assignment, label computer components, and you're going to be able to type right on that. Make sure that you are using the word bank that's provided for you up here. So you have speaker, main memory or RAM, printer, motherboard, scanner, system software, mouse. These are all the vocab terms. And you could easily copy these and then paste them to match. So you're going to match. Let me just look at the monitor here, this area here. 10, 11, and 12 could be a little tricky. Look at what 12 is actually pointing to. 11 is actually pointing to the folders, and 10 is actually pointing to something here. So make sure that you understand what these all are. And the terms are actually up here, so you can copy those and paste them down where they belong. When you're done, make sure you go to share, just like we've been showing you all along. Anyone with a link, copy that link. And then when you click Start Assignment, you can paste that directly in. When you're done with that assignment, click Next, and that takes us to Lesson 3.